Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have a new Bluetooth speaker to show you guys. The model is Crystal and it's made by this company called Boult Audio. It's a mini Bluetooth speaker and comes in this box packing. This is a Myntra exclusive speaker. Let's see what's written on the box. You can see a picture of the Crystal speaker here and it says Boult Audio at the top. Let's check out the features. It is lightweight, has a braided strap, auto reconnect, long battery life, also has a built-in microphone, has a unique crystal design, produces deep bass and has a built-in 5-watt subwoofer. So these were some of its features. The crystal speaker comes in two colors. I've got the silver model. Okay, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me cut this outer packing. I want to thank Boult Audio for sending me this product for review purpose. Let's open the box and check out the Bluetooth speaker. So here it is guys, Boult crystal speaker. This thing is small. You've got the Boult logo here. The build quality looks good. It's made of plastic and has a braided strap so you can hang it onto anything. We'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we have in the box. We have a USB cable for charging the speaker and a user manual. Now make sure to read it as it has complete info on the product. So these were all the items we got in the package. Now let me show you the Boult speaker. It's a very compact Bluetooth speaker and feels lightweight in the hand. The build quality is good. The upper part is covered in cloth and looks nice. It has a silver rim at the center that runs all around it and also has this braided string. This is how the bottom looks like. It has an elevated base and few buttons and ports here. Let me show them to you. This is the power button, an LED indicator and a micro USB port. Let me just open it and show you. Okay, let's power on this Bluetooth speaker and check out its audio quality. So when you power it on, this blue indicator starts blinking. Let me just bring my phone and pair with it. Turn on the Bluetooth. Here it is, you can see the Boult crystal. Let's pair with it. The blue indicator stops blinking when successfully paired. Okay, let's play music and check out the audio quality. Oh, did you see that? This tiny thing is quite powerful. It's not sitting at a single spot. It's jumping at the beats. I guess that's why they gave a string to hang it onto something. The audio quality is good, the mids are crisp, the vocals sound clear, the treble quality is also nice, and I didn't expect this tiny speaker to produce bass. The bass is also good on it considering its size. The audio feels very good up to 80% volume level. After that there is slight distortion in it and the audio output was also high. It was more than enough to have a party in a single room. This speaker also has a built-in mic so you can also answer calls through it, and the quality of the mic was good during call conversations. And coming to the battery life, the battery life was okay. I was getting a max music playtime of about 5 to 6 hours. Charging the speaker is also very easy. You just need to connect this micro USB cable over here and a red LED indicator starts glowing. The charging time of this speaker was around 2.5 hours. So that was my review on the Boult Audio's Crystal Bluetooth speaker. It's a good Bluetooth speaker that's compact, portable and easy to carry. The build quality is nice and the audio quality was also quite satisfying. The only thing is, it jumps a lot while playing music, so I suggest you guys to hang it onto something. And also I thought the price could have been a bit lower, then it would be really good. It costs about 1250 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box, you can check it out there. So that was it for today guys, thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.